Today, I'm going to teach you how to color each column based on different conditions in a crosstab or view in Tableau. This is a powerful way to visualize data where each column can have its own conditional formatting, making it easier to spot patterns and compare metrics across different categories. First, open your browser and navigate to tableau.com. This is where we'll access the Tableau platform and begin setting up our conditional formatting project. Once you're on the Tableau homepage, you'll need to sign in if you have an existing account, or alternatively, you can open Tableau Public or Tableau Desktop if you prefer working with the desktop application. For this tutorial, we'll proceed with the web version, so go ahead and click Sign In and enter your credentials. After signing in, we need to create or open a workbook where we'll build our visualization. Look to the left navigation menu and click on Explore. From here, you'll see an option to start a new workbook. Click on New and a drop-down selection will appear. Select Workbook from that menu to create a fresh workspace for your project. Now it's time to connect to your data. On the Start page, you'll see a section labeled Connect with various options for data sources. You can choose Excel, text file, or connect to a database depending on where your data lives. For this example, click on Files, then select Upload from Computer, browse to find the dataset you wish to use in Tableau, and click Open. Once your file has finished uploading, click on Publish Now. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your workbook, so type something descriptive and click Publish. Make sure your dataset includes location information, as we'll be using that field in our visualization. Once your sheet has loaded, we need to create 3 placeholder fields that will serve as the foundation for our conditional formatting. From the top menu, click on Analysis, then look for the option labeled Create Calculated Field and click on it. A dialog box will appear where you'll enter a placeholder name. For simplicity, let's call this Name1 since we'll need to repeat this process 3 times. In the calculation field, enter a simple value like 0, then click OK. Repeat this exact process 2 more times, creating Name2 and Name3 as additional placeholders. Now that we have our 3 calculated fields, drag all of them onto the columns shelf at the top of your workspace. Next, also add purchase location to the columns shelf. Once these fields are in place, you'll notice they appear in the marks card on the left side. For each of these fields, adjust the mark type by clicking the drop-down and setting it to text. This ensures the data displays as readable text values rather than shapes or other visual marks. Here's where things get interesting. For each of the 3 placeholder fields, drag quantity sold twice from your data pane. You'll now have 2 instances of quantity sold for each placeholder. For one instance, set the mark type to text so the actual quantity value displays. For the other instance, set it to color. This dual setup allows Tableau to both show the number and apply color based on that number's value. Finally, to make all the data adjust their color based on specific conditions, click on Name1 in the marks card. Select color from the options that appear. In the Colors menu, click Edit Colors to open the customization screen. Here, click the palette drop-down and select any diverging color scheme. Green to red is an excellent visual representation because it intuitively shows high and low values, with green typically indicating positive or high values and red indicating negative or low values. Repeat this color assignment process for Name2 and Name3, applying the same or different color palettes depending on how you want each column to be visually distinguished. And that's it. You've now created a crosstab view in Tableau where each column colors itself based on different conditions, making your data analysis much more intuitive and visually compelling. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.